2, 1, go!
And all 6 robots are moving on the field. The Eaglebots placing that coral on level 4 for 5 points. 33-44 Space Dragons come a little short of the coral reef, dropping in down to the seafloor. 87-36 the Mechanisms, trying to see if they can get that coral on level 4 for 5 points for their alliance. Team 60-48 G3 Robotics. As we go in the tie-up portion of the match, we are tied 23-29. 33-29, the Wildbots getting their coral on top of L4 for 5 points to their alliance, as the Eaglebots get another coral on level 4 of themselves for an additional 5 points. We have an algae scored in the net for the blue lines for 4 points. Team 87-36, the Mechanisms, trying to see if they can place that second algae, which they can successfully. Team 33-44 seem to have been caught in a whirlpool. Team 41-12, the Eaglebots are lining themselves up with L4 for 5 points to their alliance. Oh, not quite enough. It falls down to the ocean floor. Team 16-48, G3 Robotics, picking up a coral from the ocean surface and going all the way up to the surface of the sea, placing it on level 4 for 5 points to their alliance, as Team 88-66 Innovation Robotics plays one of their own. The Mechanisms try shooting a 4th algae into the net, but it bounces all the way over to the Red Alliance side. As we are now halfway through the match, the Blue Alliance has that early lead of 76 points, and the Red Alliance is 53 points. 33-29 looks to extend that catch back up, but it was not quite enough and falls into the trough for 2 points, but they have successfully removed an algae to place more coral later in the match. The Eaglebots continuing completing their alliances, level 4 for 5 points for each one. The Mechanisms once again lining themselves up for another successful algae inside the net. Team 16-48 G3 Robotics is putting those coral on top of level 4. They've almost completed their entire level 4 except for one. With 48 seconds left remaining in the match, 33-44 the Space Dragons, continuing placing that coral on level 3 for 4 points. Team 41-12 the Eaglebots, picking up another coral from the surface of the sea, bring it to their coral reef. And on the blue lines, we have Team 87-36 the Mechanisms, look to be having some technical difficulties as their alliance partner G3 Robotics picks up a coral and spins around to place it onto the coral reef. 33-44 the Space Dragons, placing another coral right now on top of the reef, as 41-12 picks another coral off the ocean surface. With only 20 seconds left remaining in the match, the Blue Alliance takes the lead, but a couple climbs could be enough for the Red Alliance. 33-44 is attempting to climb, and they are in the air. 41-12 completing, trying to get some last minute coral, but they decide to go park for 2 points. 33-44 is falling down with 1 second left remaining in the match. We have Team 16-48 G3 Robotics successfully in the air with their alliance partner 16-48, parking for 2 points for their alliance. And the scores are in. The winner is the Blue Alliance, with a final match score of 134 to the Red Alliance's 99. The Blue Alliance even earned 5 ranking points, 1 for barge points and another 1 for the autonomous portion. The Red Alliance will also earn that autonomous portion, with the Eaglebots remaining in their current position and 2 of the Blue Alliance's robots moving up in the ranks.